And what altitude were we getting on the eye?
On the eye, it was 3,000.
So maybe 1,500, 2,000?
Yeah.
Okay. And what's the name of the rocket?
This end up.
Okay, it's the This End Up rocket. It's on an H motor.
Ready?
So we're going to launch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ignition.
Wow.
You were saying?
That went.
I swear.
I
don't
sure
see
that
it.
was an H motor.
Wait, when does your parachute launch?
Parachute comes out at 500. Streamer.
Okay, it's up there. Whoa, look at it smoking up
There
there.
it is. Okay, so streamer should top it after G.
Oh, I
Should be a nice silver streamer.
Yeah.
Well, it's coming down sideways. That's good.
How is that good?
Where is it?
It's got a streamer
Slower.
on it, I think.
Where is it?
Yeah, streamer's not out though. It should be.
It's windy out there.
Sure
It
is.
went way down.
It's taking a sweet time coming down.
Yeah.
It's up there pretty good. Where's it going to deploy?
500.
Where is it?
All right, so
That's
we have a
Ireland.
little bit to go yet.
Oh,
Should be deploying in about 3-4 seconds here.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice, man. Good.
Who's better?
I think we're going to be heading for the swamp on this one. You better get down towards the bottom of the field.
Have a nice day.
You might be all right. Might come down in the field.
Oh, there it is.
Straight to the tree.
Come on back to the right. Come on back to the right. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Over the tree.
No, I see it.
Did it land?
You gotta shoot
It's in the
it.
tree. It's in the tree.
all right,
Okay.
we gotta do